What's up? I'm gonna sing Mean Girls by Rachel Crow. She's a pretty girl. She's pretty. She is a pretty girl. She is a pretty girl. But anyways, she's a really good singer. She is awesome. And the song makes me happy. So here we go. You have a girl lunch, you know my time. Cause when you arrive, they leave the table. Call me everything but a name, not me. When you go, just call me Rachel. You feel like you run home crying, cause stuff in the room, don't want anyone to see ya. Everyone's having fun outside, just have yourself home. I won't let her get to me no more. I don't wanna feel this way. I can't believe I let it go so far. No, no, it's not okay. What do you know about me? You never know what I think. Me know, just like out of my clothes. Me know, you no longer want my world. Mango, I'm just coming out of my car. Fingers home, looking at you, here come on, you a loser. Girls in bubblegum pink, cause they're laughing at my blue shirt. And I hope young girl that you're treating someone like a perfect stranger. Cause it's easier than them by my side. Oh, I won't let it get to me no more. I feel this way. Can't believe I let it go so far. No, no, it's not okay. You know about me. You know I think. Mango, I'm just coming out my throat. Mango, on my phone. Don't you think maybe somebody was cruel to you. But you're supposed to know. What's that in my for you? Me, friend, I'm not cool. When everyone leaves, when you walk in the room, I just hope they forgive you. Won't get to me no more. You don't wanna feel this way. I can't believe I let it go so far. No, no, it's not okay. No, no, about me. Do you know I think? Mango, you know I'm not cold. Mango, you know I'm my world. Mango, just coming out of my cold. Mango, you know run my world. Run my world, run my world. I know it kind of sucks, guys, but anyways, peace out.